What's going on, y'all? This your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with another hot video, giving you all the updates and the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Before we get into the main topic of discussion, let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, Bitcoin is sitting at 71,481. We know yesterday was an epic day. Bitcoin hit the all-time high of 72,950. Almost got very close to 73,000, but didn't eclipse the 73,000. However, yesterday was a great day to be in cryptocurrency. It was a great day to be trusting and believing in Bitcoin. We did our thing yesterday. It was exciting. We made a lot of money. A lot of our other coins was running up, following right behind Bitcoin because we know Bitcoin is the big dog. Whatever direction Bitcoin goes in, then the other altcoins continue to follow. Now, we at the all-time high near $73,000 currently today. We're at $71,000. The Fear and Greed Index is at 92. There is a lot of greed in the market right now. Folks are excited. Folks are trying to buy in. They're hearing about the hype. They're hearing that Bitcoin hit a new all-time high, so they are flocking, setting up their COINBASE accounts, setting up their crypto.com accounts. They probably on the phone calling you, asking you, how can I get in Bitcoin, what coins to buy, so forth and so on. So it's just a great time to be in the cryptocurrency space, in the cryptocurrency market right now. We are still 34 days before the halving. Things are moving just a little bit fast than we are expecting. Nobody expected us to be near 73,000 a month before the Bitcoin halving, but we'll embrace it, we'll accept it, and that is just the market that we're in. We are in the midst of a super cycle. Things are going a lot faster than we thought, than we expected, but that's a good thing because in that case, we're expecting Bitcoin to really balloon. If Bitcoin is already near 73,000 right now, wow, imagine where to be in 2 months from now, a month after the Bitcoin halving. So things are looking up, things are looking good. You know, just continue to accumulate. If you see any dips, continue to dollar cost average in. We know we had a little bit of a dip today. A lot of folks got a little bit nervous, a little bit scared, but I'm like, man, look, Bitcoin at 71,400. What you scared of? What you panicking for? Just relax, trust the process, and understand that we are in a good place. We're in a good space. Now let's get to the topic of discussion. We are going to talk about MiLady new bull run. That's right, MiLady meme coin. This is one of the hottest meme coins that is out there. A few weeks ago, they had the cryptocurrency awards, and MiLady meme coin was voted the #2 meme coin out there. Now that surprised me. Now the MiLady meme coin is starting to get a little bit of popularity out there. We know this coin was started off of an NFT by the young lady, favoring the young lady Charlotte Fang. Charlotte Fang is a real popular social media person out there. She have a lot of followers. So Charlotte Fang have a little bit of popularity out there. We're hoping that MiLady meme coin can catch some of that fire, catch some of that attention, some of that popularity that Charlotte Fang has. We know MiLady meme coin have recently caught some of the flame and the fire from the meme coin explosion that we've had over the past month. Over the past month, we've seen Dogecoin wake up. A lot of folks were saying Dogecoin was out and about at 5 cents. Lo and behold, Dogecoin hit about 18 cents. Pepe coin woke up, man. All the meme coins, Shiba Inu woke up. Bonk started to wake up. All the meme coins that you could think of started to wake up. And just last week, MiLady meme coin caught the tail end of that smoke and she woke up. We bought MiLady meme coin months ago, and hopefully you've been watching your boy Stock Holiday and you've been watching my videos and you bought in also when we placed the buy signal when it was at 7 zeros and 4. We bought in there. We kind of saw the vision. We saw that the market cap was real low. We knew it was a meme coin. It was on crypto.com. We took a deep dive, took a great deep position into MiLady meme coin, and that thing started to run. Yesterday, MiLady meme coin got to 6 zeros and 3 zeros. So if you got in it at 0.40, That meant you did a 7.5x. We made great gains. Everybody who ran the play that your boy called, you guys made great gains. Salute to you. Currently, MiLady meme coin is still a small cap coin. It's currently at $185 million market cap. This coin is number 342 largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. It came out May 2023, so it have not even been out for a full year. This coin is brand new. The popularity is starting to increase. A lot of folks is starting to hear about MiLady meme coin. Yesterday, this coin ran up to about 60%. Everybody was happy. Everybody was excited who ran the play. A lot of folks who didn't ran the play, they did notice and see MiLady meme coin trending. They saw it was one of the top coins from yesterday. They have ran up 50 to 60% in just one day. Now this coin did cool off a little bit today. Today it's down about 7 or 8%, but that is normal. That's what happened after a coin runs up 50, 60%. So this is normal, just a little bit of a pullback, a little correction, which is always healthy along the way in a bull market. But that's all I always say. When in doubt, zoom out. If you zoom out on that MiLady meme coin, you will see over the past month, this coin is up 350%. This coin have been rocking. It's been rolling. It is getting geared up to get in place to hit that top 100 meme coin. Now, can MiLady get that 5,000%, which is a 50x? We are looking for MiLady to do a 50x even just from here. Now, the ones that got in early at 7 zeros and 4, you guys would do above 100x, because MiLady meme coin will get to a market cap of $9 billion in 2025, which is just 12 months from there, maybe 10 months from now. You know, a 50x placing this coin at $9 billion will be achieved in 2025. You look at coins like Bunk. Bunk is $2 billion right now. You look at coins like Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is $20 billion. Even coins like Dog with a Hat. That's a new meme coin that just came out, and that thing exploded on the market. Dog with a Hat is a meme coin that is at $2 billion as we speak. So to think that MiLady meme coin cannot hit $9 billion in a matter of 12 months, and MiLady meme coin is going to do its thing. It's going to explode. The popularity of this coin is going to continue to rise and increase. You could get in early right now and get a little bit of skin in the game. This coin market cap is $185 million. By the time it do a 10x, you're talking about $1.8 billion or $2 billion. Man, this thing can rock and run and hit $9-10 billion before you know it. So you want to get in now. You don't want to wait to it have its next pump, and you're going to be kicking yourself saying, man, I should have got some skin in the game. I should have took a position in the game. And those of you who got in at 7 zeros and a 4, shout out for you for watching your boy Stock Holiday shows and running the play. That's why I say, hey, come on over there and join us in the Patreon, because we are always dropping gems over there. We dropping buy signals, sell signals, and everybody over there is always helpful. If this is your first time in the cycle in crypto, you want to find you a nice community that can embrace you and will help you and show you how to navigate through the wilderness of this cryptocurrency market, because it's not easy. It could be intimidating. It could be scary, you know, but at the same time, if you play it right, if you learn how to dominate the market, you can make exponential gains. You can make gains that will change your life, which is what we're all here for, to hit the height of financial freedom. Now, everybody's height of financial freedom is a little bit different, but ultimately, ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of financial freedom. So go ahead and join us over there on the Patreon. Go ahead and join us. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, continue rocking with your boy Stock Holiday. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.